How many times have you pushed code that passed unit tests only to find a critical integration bug in production? Or wasted hours setting up test environments that never matched real world scenarios? The Testing Mastery Pack gives you modular unit testing frameworks with Jest and Vitest, automated integration test scaffolding using Docker Compose, Playwright powered E2E scenario validation, and Puppeteer based visual snapshot detection for pixel perfect UI regression tracking. Whether you're a backend engineer juggling microservices, a full stack developer battling state management, or a QA lead fighting flaky tests, we've got your back. Spoiler alert, your new CI CD pipeline will be more thorough than your morning coffee routine. Here's what's inside the Testing Mastery Pack. First, adaptive test runners that auto generate edge case scenarios from your API specs. Second, containerized database fixtures with MongoDB and Postgres for deterministic integration tests. Third, performance benchmarking modules that simulate 10,000 concurrent users with K6. Fourth, visual regression tools that compare DOM snapshots across browser stacks. Fifth, AI powered test coverage analyzers that highlight untested code paths. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just testing, it's your software's personal fitness trainer. Installing the Testing Mastery Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add testing mastery pack. That's it. You'll get the complete CI/CD workflow with pre-configured GitHub Actions, GitLab pipelines, and Jenkins specs. Your IDE gets smart test snippets for VS Code and JetBrains suites. When you start your next Claude Code session, your AI assistant will auto-suggest test scenarios based on your commit history. Oh, and your coffee machine won't get jealous when you automate those 3 a.m. test runs. Just kidding. We can't fix your caffeine addiction, but we'll make those late night deployments less terrifying.